LeaderTech CBS circuit board shielding products provide designers with a great deal of flexibility, but not all shielding applications can be satisfied with a standard CBS product, and not all budgets accommodate a custom shielding solution. LeaderTech modified CBS use existing tooling and manufacturing processes to create near-custom solutions with short lead times and little or no NRE, while providing the benefits of our CBS products. This allows for any perimeter size and custom shapes to provide optimal shielding and save board space. Designs can include I/O holes, trace notches, connector cutouts, multiple levels, and multiple cavities. Modified CBS can also include RF absorber for enhanced shielding, insulating pad for ESD protection, thermal pads, PEM fasteners, and embossing. LeaderTech manufactures a full line of EMI products to offer the solutions you need. Contact us at www.leadertechinc.com or 813-855-6921.